Hey everyone, John here. I just got the Uplift adjustable desk. That's a height adjustable desk that I can raise and lower, and it's got memory settings and everything. I'm really excited about it. This is my old desk here, and this is what I've been using to work from home. And now I have this Uplift desk, which is upside down right now. I got the gray, and I'll give you the specs later, but it's not too hard to put together. They give you videos and everything. I'm not gonna go over how to put it together, but it's a lot of fun to put it together, and that's what I'm doing right now. So let's go see it put together. I'll give you some details and let you know how I like it. So one thing I did get is I wanted more power hookups. So I bought this from Uplift. It's a surge protector, but it's got 7 or 8 plugs on here, and I need to figure out what to do with it. Now, as you can see, I've got a lot, I don't have much room here. And anyway, just figuring out what to do with it. Okay, so I just finished it. Just put the power strip in just here, and the modesty panel right there, which actually has some Velcro where you can hide wires in, which is really nice. Also have this wire area here, which will be really good. The only thing I did was I drilled through the top of the cabinet, which I'm not happy about, top of the desk, but I will do something to fix that later. Okay, everyone, I just got the desk put together. This is the Uplift Desk V2 standing desk frame. So this is a C shape on the frame. As you can see, the legs are pointed out and the legs sit back more than the front, and I'll kind of go around and you can kind of see how the legs are more back than the front. Anyway, we got this nice little Uplift logo. I've got it all set up. I've got wire management already set up. I do have 2 monitors. They're 2 24-inch monitors set up with a camera. Got my docking station. Everything is set up beautifully. I did opt for the upgraded memory panel, and I'm using 3 settings. 1 setting when I'm sitting, which is 1. 1 setting when I'm standing, which is 2. And then when I'm standing and I'm using this little guy that I can balance on, it is so cool. This thing is from Uplift, and you can just balance on it right now. And it's really cool for your core, so you can sit there and do it. I did get the pad for it to kind of, you could use it when you're barefoot or with socks on. I didn't put it on there. You have wire. I spent a lot of time on the wire management. So this is a modesty panel that's right there. All the wires are hidden and, you know, just kind of all up and nip and tucked, you know, they're all up there. So I'm gonna take it underneath and we're gonna go look and see what we got back here. So right here, I don't know if you can see, I did a panel. I did actually a power strip right here, and I kind of showed you that earlier. It might be a little hard to see when we're in here. Okay, so I just fixed that picture up on the wall, and I just want to show you when it's going up, just the clearance that I have it going at right now. So it's just got kind of going right along the wall, really close to the wall, and not hurting anything. It goes up so level, so quiet. Beautiful. You don't want to go any higher than that. It'll knock my pictures right off the wall, which I just did. Anyway, as you can see, once you go back, you see only 1 wire down at the bottom. It is just beautiful, and that display just kind of goes off right when you're done, but lights up really nice. I've got some USBs out on the wall right now, which I can plug some stuff into. Of course, I added USBs underneath, and you saw my wire management. Pretty cool. They have some, they have loads of accessories. There's other accessories that I'm gonna get, but I want, give me some comments. What do you think? Like, what kind of accessories should I get for this desk? It's so cool. So anyway, you know I've got that footrest. This is my chair. So if I was to use the chair, that's my chair right there. I'm just gonna press 1. It's gonna drop down. As you can see, it's dropping down. Those are the inches. That's actually showing how many inches it's going down, and it's gonna be off there's, you know, 30 inches off the ground, which is regular standard height. So I've got 29.6 is what I have it at. And that's my ergonomic setting at the moment. So when I'm sitting in the chair, that's where I want it to be. I can put this under the desk, and that'll be my foot rest. And, you know, it's really cool. I can't wait to give it a shot tomorrow and let's see how I do. All right. Okay, so about the hole I did. So right underneath is the surge protector. And if I go underneath, I've got all my wire management back there. Everything's hidden back there. It's kind of ugly back there, but you know what? You don't see it from the front. If I go over here, you just see one wire going down. It is so beautiful. And this is in the sitting height. It's just height 1. So I opted, I got my wireless Logitech solar keypad, which I really like. Again, all Logitech. What I did was with the hole, I'll just move this over. Right here is where I drilled through. So I just bought one of these little patches. It's actually a little round circle that just goes right on, matches perfectly with the desk. It is covered by my laptop, so I don't even see it. I opted not to replace it, so I'm just gonna keep it just as it is. I really, really like it. I definitely recommend it. So, like I said, let's listen quietly and hear it go up. You can hear it a little bit. So there is a slight noise to it, but it's actually the quietest in the bunch. Like I said, very light against the wall. It's just really close to the wall, but nice. Two 24-inch monitors. Okay, overall, good buy. I definitely recommend it. You can just do all your work right at your desk, and I like it because you're supposed to be standing at least 3 minutes. I have an Apple Watch. You know, you have to stand 3 minutes of the day. Now that we're working from home with COVID, you need to be in shape and you need to be, standing a lot. So I wanted to do that. It makes me feel more energetic. I get a lot more done. I definitely recommend this. Please go ahead and consider the Uplift desk. I don't think you'll be disappointed. Anyway, see you next time.